Guys, we are now in Mount Kopapoy. We just hike. Oh, this is where they set fire. And this is the view here. Actually, time check 2:40 p.m. today. So actually, the best time to come here in Mount Kopapoy is the morning, early morning. At least 3 a.m. you are now preparing, or you are now starting to hike from Sitio Favoyan, in which it is a place where all homestays in Maligcong are located. All the homestay here in Barangay Maligcong is located in Sitio Favoyan, which is in that area. That's why if you are checked in that homestay, then better by 3 a.m. you will start hiking up, because Sitio Favoyan is down there. So you are now going to climb here, just climb, and that's it, up until in the summit of Mount Kopapoy. Then you can come here. Oh, that's the view. Actually, it is better to see on the ice or on an updated camera. I'm just using my cell phone. That's why the view or the color, or I can't show you the true beauty or true color of the rice fields or the view. Though it's very beautiful in the eyes, but if you take a picture or photo or record a video, just like on what I'm doing, it's something different. It's either it filters more, or it makes it more beautiful, or it ruins it more comparing to your eyes. Because sometimes there's also times that it is not beautiful when you see it on your eyes, but if you take a picture and see it again, then it's beautiful. In our